Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete a conversation or a chat from the Poly AI, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on PC. So if you want to delete a chat here, so you can choose, you can simply click on this three dot button. You can delete a chat from here. Simply click on delete, or you can edit a chat. But if you want to delete whole conversation, then you can simply use this restart option here. So it will restart the chat and it will open the new chat from here. Now in history, there you can find the story here, so you can delete the story by simply click on this delete button here, and here you can see it has just deleted all the story and it has just easily created a new conversation with that character. Now you can do is you can also hide that character if you don't want it listed in your chat list. So you can simply hover over to the three dot button here at the left side navigation section. So simply click on hide and it will hide that character or the conversation from here. So that's how you can just delete a conversation and hide that character totally from your chat list. Or if you are on your phone, then you can enter to a chat list and you can find this three box and also the square icon here, the menu icon. Simply click on that, and from here you can easily find the delete option. Simply click on delete and it will delete whole conversation with one confirmation click. You can find a confirmation message pop up on your screen, then simply click on that red delete button and it will delete whole conversation at once. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.